Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. In the rapidly evolving automotive landscape, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N has emerged as the best small car for 2025, combining performance, technology, and practicality. This latest iteration of Hyundai's performance-focused compact sedan showcases the brand's commitment to delivering an engaging driving experience without compromising on everyday usability. As the Elantra N takes the lead in its segment, it sets new benchmarks for what a small car can achieve. Striking design and sporty aesthetics. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N boasts a bold and aggressive design that stands out in the compact car market. Its sharp lines, wide stance, and distinctive N badging highlight its sporty intentions. The aggressive front fascia features a large, cascading grille flanked by angular LED headlights, while the rear end is dominated by a prominent diffuser and dual exhaust outlets. The Elantra N's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its high-performance capabilities. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive, with a driver-focused layout that includes sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and N-specific design elements that create an immersive driving environment. Performance and handling excellence. Under the hood, the 2024 Elantra N is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces an exhilarating 276 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque. This potent engine is paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, catering to a wide range of driving preferences. The Elantra N's performance is further enhanced by an electronically controlled suspension system, a limited-slip differential, and high-performance brakes, ensuring precise handling and exceptional stability on both city streets and winding roads. The N-Grin control system offers multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their liking. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features designed to enhance the driving experience and keep occupants connected. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching touchscreen infotainment system provide a seamless interface for accessing navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the Elantra N comes with a premium Bose audio system, wireless charging, and a head-up display, adding to the convenience and comfort of the cabin. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, are also standard, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Comfort and practicality. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the 2024 Elantra N offers a comfortable and practical interior that accommodates daily driving needs. The spacious cabin provides ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, while the trunk offers generous cargo space. The sport seats are designed to provide excellent support during spirited driving, yet remain comfortable for long journeys. Dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, and ambient lighting enhance the overall comfort and ambience of the interior. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N has garnered significant attention and praise from automotive enthusiasts and industry experts alike. Its combination of performance, technology, and practicality positions it as a leader in the compact car segment. With a competitive starting price and an array of available features, the Elantra N offers excellent value for money. Available at Hyundai dealerships worldwide, the Elantra N is set to redefine the standards for small performance cars in 2025. Conclusion. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of performance, technology, and practicality. Hyundai's dedication to innovation and quality is evident in every aspect of the Elantra N, making it an ideal choice for drivers seeking an engaging and versatile compact car. Whether navigating urban environments or enjoying spirited drives, the Elantra N delivers an unmatched combination of excitement and everyday usability, ensuring it remains a top choice in its class.